Hey guys, just thought I'd do a Facebook Live to start your week. So someone asked for me to do Let It Be by the Beatles, so I thought I would have a go and try and show you. So I'm going to do a couple of different versions. I'm just going to do the full version, as in I'm going to do all the big chords. So for the four chords you need, C. If you don't know the big C from your books, you can do the little C. The kids know the little C. So that's first fret, second string, bottom three strings. Okay, so that's the little C. Then we have the G. So the big G is like this. So have a look in your books if you don't know what the G is. If you want to do the little G, you just do this third fret, first string, bottom three strings. Like that. Next chord is a bit of a doozy. I know the next chord's fine. So A minor is next. So again, it's the second chord we cover. So have a look in your books. If you're not sure, just let me know, and we'll cover that. If you can't do the A minor, so it's in the Junior 2 book, so if you're doing Junior 2, have a look there. And also it's in the Senior 1 books, the second chord we learn. Next one is, so the little way to do it is having your first finger where you put your finger for the C, but then you just reach over with your middle finger to the second fret of the third string. Okay? So that's the mini A minor and A minor, and then you've got an F. Okay. In the tab I've got, it's got an F major 7, like that, or an F6, but an F6 is a bit too hard for most people, like that. It also has an A minor 7, which some people will know, but let's just keep it simple for now. So the F major 7 is like similar to C, but you just move these two fingers down a set of strings here. Okay? So if you can do the C, then you just move third and second fingers down, and you've got the F major 7. If you can't do that, just do the chord that I showed you a minute ago, and that's the A minor, but the bottom three strings. So you can just use that again. Okay. So I'm going to post the tab that I've got here from Ultimate Guitar tab here. So that's in the chat. So if you want to follow along with the words, if not, don't worry. So the easy version, if you just did the mini one, when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. So you just stay on that mini one. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And then they do a little run. Do, 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 do. But when you're doing the mini one, don't need to worry about that. It says hit the E note on the D string here, and then hit the D string, and then finish on the C. So the big version is big C chord. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Do that. So second fret E of the fourth string, open D, fourth string, and then finish on the C. Okay. And then if you really want to do the complicated version, you do the C and the G again. In times of trouble, then you do an A minor for the mother, and then A minor 7, so that means you lift your third finger off now, and you're releasing that G string here. So a slight different flavour. Mother Mary. So you have to lift your third finger. It's a bit tricky. And then you go to this comes to me. Comes to me. So that's where you bar it. So you do an F major 7 and then an F6, which is like that. On the actual tab, if you hover over the chord, if you think, oh, that's too tricky, you can try looking at the little arrows. So then you can click across, and it tells you some different ways to play it. Okay, so you can play it like this, which looks more complicated for some people, like that. Okay, so it's like the D7 shape, if you know what that is, plus the first finger there. But you might not be able to get there very quickly, or third fret, sorry. Play like that, which sounds really cool. So if you hover over the chord and keep clicking across, you can find some different ways to play the chords. Okay, just top tip. Okay, so that's pretty much what you do for the whole song. So let's just go through the first section, first verse, and then the chorus is different. I'll come to that, but it's kind of similar. So, when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. Let it be. And now of darkness, oops, and in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. Okay, so it's probably, I find it better if you play the F major 7, so that diagonal one, so that's 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string. So you basically go 4th, 3rd, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, then open. So it's like connect 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, but all on different strings, all in a diagonal. Do that, then you move your finger up for the E, and you finish on the C. Bit tricky. If that's too hard, then just do the notes. So 2nd fret, 4th string, open, 4th string, and then C. Or if you're on the higher octave, you do the open high E, and then the D, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then finish on the C, the little C. Okay, so when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Okay, so it doesn't quite have the same feel, but it's quite nice anyway. So you play the open, so you still play that mini F major 7, mini F. Which sounds a bit like Three Blind Mice. Okay, next we have the chorus. So we go to the A minor now. Let it be. Then to the G. Let it be. Then to the F. Let it be. Let it. C. And then go to the C. You stay on the C. Whisper words of wisdom. Go up to the G. Let it be. And do that same thing that they do in the verse. So C, G, then F, E, D, C, or just strum all the strings. And then it kind of keeps the fullness of the chord going, but you also have the riff, which is quite nice. Right. Let us have a go. So strumming pattern. It's just easier to keep it simple when you're starting out. So the one that's suggested goes 1 and 2 and 3. So it has some 16th notes in there, does it? 1 and a 2 and a 3. I guess like that. So to concentrate on the strumming pattern and the chords when you're just kind of trying to do it quickly in a week, it's a little bit tricky. So I recommend just focusing purely on the rhythm and then purely on the chords separately. So you can go. Okay, so practice that. And then you just, when you're practicing the chord changes, just strum on the first beat of the bar. So, when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. In my hour of darkness, she is, some extra ones there. So, when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. So you basically just strum on the first beat, let it ring out for 4 beats. Okay. And then same with the chorus. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Do, do. Okay, and that's pretty much the whole song. So it does another verse 2, it does the chorus, and then it has the solo. Which I think's pretty tricky, and it's got both solos, which is cool. Okie dokie. So have a listen to the song, and once you've played it through a few times, have a go at those different aspects. So your chords, mini C or big C, big G or little G, A minor or little A minor, and then F major 7 and little F major 7. And if you want to try some extra chords, you try the A minor 7, you take your third finger off, and then if you can do your bar chords, you can do your F6, which basically means that you're barring everything, but your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and your 4th finger is on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. And how's that sound? So it's, by itself it might sound a bit funny, but as you do a connecting chords, so Mother Mary comes to me, and then it kind of does a bit of a running melody, bass line. So you've got this, and then back to the C. So it kind of resolves on the C, so it adds a bit of dissonance there at the end. Right. So I think that's everything for the song. So you got the chords. Just keep it simple to start with. Just focus on the chords, then have a go at the rhythm. have a go at the chords, have a go at the rhythm separately. Keep the strumming pattern really, really simple, just while you're starting out, and then go from there. Okay, I'll see you in the next live video. Take care. Bye.